Have you ever wondered how your computer or mobile actually works when you open apps, play games, or watch videos? Who controls everything behind the scenes? The answer is the operating system. In this video, we will explain what an operating system is and how it works in the simplest way possible. What is operating system? Operating system, also called OS, is the main software of a computer. Think of it as the boss of your system. It manages everything and allows you to interact with your device. Without an operating system, your computer is useless. Examples of operating systems: some popular operating systems are Windows, Android, iOS, iPhone, Linux. These systems control different devices like computers, phones, and tablets. Why operating system is important? Operating system is very important because it controls hardware, CPU, RAM, storage, runs applications, manages files, provides user interface. How operating system works? Simple. Let's understand this step by step. When you turn on your computer, OS loads from storage, SSD/HDD. It starts controlling hardware. Operating system acts like a bridge between you and the machine. Main functions of operating system: 1. Process management. OS manages programs running on your system. It decides which app runs first, how much CPU power is used. 2. Memory management. OS controls RAM. It allocates memory to apps, frees memory when not needed. 3. File management. OS manages files and folders. It helps you save data, open files, organize storage. 4. Device management. OS controls devices like keyboard, mouse, printer. 5. Security. OS protects your system with passwords, permissions. Security updates. Types of operating systems. 1. Desktop OS, used in computers, Windows, Linux. 2. Mobile OS, used in smartphones, Android, iOS. 3. Real-time OS, used in robots, machines, embedded systems. What happens without OS? Without an operating system, you cannot open apps, no user interface, hardware won't work properly. Basically, computer equals useless box. Operating system and performance. A good OS makes your system fast, stable, secure. Updates also improve performance and fix bugs. Operating system in daily life. You use OS every day. Opening WhatsApp, watching YouTube, playing games, browsing internet, everything runs because of OS. Simple example: think of OS like a manager in a company. CPU equals workers. RAM equals workspace, storage equals files, OS equals manager controlling everything. Without manager chaos. Let's quickly recap. OS is the main software. It connects user and hardware. It manages apps, memory, and files. Without OS, computer cannot work. Now you understand what an operating system is and why it is important. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byteboard. And tell us in the comments, what should we explain next: internet, FPS, or programming?